Imagine turning a few spare dollars into a life-changing fortune before this year is out. That's the dream driving the 2025 meme coin mania. With crypto markets heating up and social buzz at full volume, a handful of new and legendary meme coins are being whispered about as the next 100 times rockets. People are piling in, hoping that by the end of 2025, they'll be the ones bragging about millionaire gains from coins that cost less than a cup of coffee today. Original meme giant Dogecoin is the coin that started it all. As of now, it's trading in the 22 to 24 cent range, giving it a market cap well over $30 billion. It's been around for a decade and still commands a huge community. Even in 2025, it gets sudden surges from celebrity mentions and social media trends. Recent chatter about potential Dogecoin ETF products and ongoing integration with payment platforms keeps the excitement alive. Could Doge pull a 100 times move? With its massive supply, that's mathematically tough. But in a roaring bull market, many analysts still see a run toward 50 cents or even $1 if macro conditions stay friendly and adoption grows. That might not be a 100 times gain, but a 3 to 5 times move is not out of the question. Shiba Inu. The ecosystem builder Shiba Inu trades around 0.000012 per token, still one of the cheapest by unit price. What separates SHIB from pure memes is its expanding ecosystem, Shibarium, the Layer 2 network, along with NFT projects and active token burn mechanics. The community recently ramped up burn rates and continues to add decentralized apps, hoping to reduce supply and support price. If everything clicks, strong burns, new DeFi use cases, and a broad altcoin rally, Shiba could see 10 to 20 times gains, potentially hitting the mid 0.0001 seconds by the end of 2025. A full 100 times is unlikely without an enormous supply reduction, but it remains one of the most actively developed meme ecosystems. Pepe, the fast-moving newcomer, the frog-themed Pepe coin, is trading in the low fractions of a cent, highly volatile, and a favorite for quick movers. Over the last month, on-chain data shows active wallet growth and whale buys, suggesting speculators are betting on another explosive rally. Because its supply is more manageable than SHIB's and it thrives on viral culture, some analysts believe Pepe could reach 5 to 20 times gains if the bull market intensifies. Rumors of upcoming exchange listings and liquidity partnerships add to the buzz. LILPEPE, the pre-sale rocket. One of the hottest pre-sale stories of 2025 is LILPEPE, still in early stages, but already pulling in millions of dollars in commitments. Promoters highlight its low fees, anti-bot tokenomics, staking options, and cross-chain compatibility, trying to position it as the next evolution of meme coins. Because it's so new, its current price is still in microfractions of a cent, but hype-driven forecasts from analysts and influencers talk about potential 10, 50, even 100 times moves if major exchanges list it and liquidity arrives after launch. As with any pre-sale, the risk is enormous. But the upside speculation is exactly what meme investors chase. LBRETT, the dark horse. LBRETT is another 2025 breakout contender, aiming to merge meme culture with practical tokenomics. Early data shows an engaged community and planned staking rewards that give holders reasons to stay invested. Because it's still small cap, even a moderate wave of capital could create huge percentage gains. Analysts covering high-risk altcoins suggest that if LBRETT lands listings on big exchanges and executes its roadmap, 20 to 100 times upside isn't impossible in a strong bull market. For all these coins, the recipe for 2025 is similar. A powerful crypto bull run, continuous social buzz, and timely exchange listings. Macro trends, like falling interest rates or broader Bitcoin and Ethereum rallies, will decide whether these tokens simply double or attempt moonshot gains. Realistically, established names like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu may see 2 to 10 times growth if sentiment stays positive. Mid-caps like Pepe could stretch higher, perhaps 10 to 20 times. The real 100 times dreams belong to newer, low-cap entrants like LILPEPE and Layer Brett, where small market caps make giant percentage moves possible, but with equally giant risk. That's the landscape as of late September 2025. Dogecoin around 22 cents, Shiba in the thousandths of a cent, Pepe climbing on social buzz, LILPEPE and Layer Brett attracting early whales and retail speculators. Meme coins live on hype, and hype can vanish overnight. So, none of this is financial advice, just a look at the forces driving the conversation right now. If the market keeps heating up into the fourth quarter, expect the loudest memes to grab headlines again. Which one do you think has the best chance to 100 times before this bull run ends? Drop your thoughts below, and let's see what the coin's future community believes will be the next meme coin legend.